Hello children, I am Vaishali madam. Let us begin with our new lesson.
Number 7, that is nouns. We are going to study about nouns. So first, in the introductory part, the book is explaining us about the different parts of speech in a sentence. A sentence consists of different parts. Okay. So they are nouns. So nouns we are going to learn in the detail just now. But just let me brief you about the parts of the speech. Nouns, adjectives, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. So we are going to study about nouns. That is the first category of the part of the speech.
Now coming to B, nouns, that is naming words. Look at the following sentences. The first sentence is the boy is jumping. Here the word boy is the name of a person. Okay. The second is the dog is barking. Who is barking? Dog. So dog is the name of an animal. The third is this is a temple. The word temple is the name of a place. And the fourth one is he has a bat. So again bat is the name of a thing. So all this person, place, animal, things are nouns. So boy, dog, temple and bat are the naming words, and naming words are called nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now coming to page number 16, exercise C. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Now you all know that what are nouns? Person, place, animal or things are nouns. Okay, naming words. An animal includes both birds and animals. So now we'll proceed with the exercise. Sentence 1 says, Agra lies on the bank of Yamuna. So here Agra, banks and Yamuna are the nouns. Number 2 is the whole class went to Mussoorie in May. So here the class, Mussoorie and May are the nouns. What is class? That is a group of children. Mussoorie is the name of the place and May is the month. Number 3 says insects have 6 legs. So insects and legs are the nouns. Number 4, there is a mosque near my house. So both are places, mosque and house. Number 5 says ship give us wool. So here ship and wool both are nouns. Here ship is plural but here s is not used. See. Number 6. We saw lions, tigers, giraffes in the zoo. So lion, tigers and giraffe and in zoo. These 3 are animals and this is place. Number 7 says add sugar to this cup of tea. So sugar, cup and tea. These are all things. So they are also nouns. Number 8 says we have 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 nose. These are our body parts but they are also nouns. Number 9 says Rama and Lakshmana went to the forest with Sita. So the 3 persons are there and 1 place is there. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita are persons and forest is place. Number 10 says Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose were great leaders. So Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose are nouns, whereas leader is also common noun that we'll learn in next chapter what are proper nouns and common nouns. Coming to 11, I bought bread, jam and eggs from the bakery. So these are the things and this is a place. Number 12, his uncles and aunts went to meet his parents. So these are all persons, uncles, aunts and parents. Number 13 says the merchant sold the diamonds in another country. Merchant is person, diamonds is things and country is place. But all are nouns. Number 14 says the India Gate, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar are some historical places of Delhi. So these are all historical places. India Gate, Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Delhi again is name of a place and again places also. Number 15 says they sold away their refrigerator, air conditioner, television and computer. So these are all things. Okay. So now exercise D, there is a paragraph given and we have to find out the nouns. So this you are going to do it on your own. First try to read the paragraph, then try to identify the nouns. You know what are nouns? Person, place, animal or things are noun. Okay. So try to solve it on your own. So exercise E is a crossword puzzle. The cross and downs are given below the crossword. So we'll have to find out. Okay. So let us just try to do it. Here in the crossword puzzle, the cross and the down are given over here. Across is, this is the way you are going to go for across, and down is like this, you are going to go down like this. Okay, so try to answer this. The answers are nouns. Okay, so that is the basic clue that you know. An animal that has a very long neck, which is that animal, and that is going to be in 3 across. So it is going to start with G. So you can always guess what is that. Yes, that is giraffe. Then number 4 is used while taking a bath. So that is 4th across. So it will start with T and end with L. So what is the thing that is used while taking bath? Then number 7, a place where patients are kept. So again find out where is number 7. It starts with H. So where is the place which begins with H and where the patients are kept? Hospital. Yes. Shines brightly at night. So what is that shines brightly at night? That is 8 across. M. What is that? Moon. Okay. Number 9 is parts of the body we use to see things with. What is the part of our body we use to see things? Eyes. Start with E. Number 10 is grows on the head. What is the thing that grows on the head? That is number 10. So where is number 10? So what grows on your head? Yes, your hair. Okay. So similarly, try to find out the answers to this. There also the answers are noun. Okay. And then you will get the answers and fill in the crossword puzzle.